Right now, what's happening here is that we have a 3-day training. This is the beginning of a 3-day training for selected teachers from St. Kitts and Nevis to be trained as Delf assessors. Delf is an examination that is done through the Alliance Française, through the Republic of France. And once the program begins, we would need assessors to help to conduct the examinations. The training allows the assessors to conduct the assessment. So for the assessment to take place, there will need to be at least 2 assessors per center. Thus, it provides our teachers with improved skills so that they get a certain level of certification in the Delf program. This is one way for us to help to bring more life, more interest in the French language. The number of French students pursuing French in the Federation has declined significantly over the years.
The Delf is very important because the competencies that they test, reading, speaking, listening, writing, and it's very internationally recognized. A certification in Delf is very important for our students.
I believe that this is a very good opportunity for teachers to be able to improve their French skills and to have an insight on what is the Delf about.